Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm going to show you all unlock methods on Motorola Edge 70. So basically there's plenty of options how to secure your phone on your lock screen, and I'll show you all of them. So to check them up, open up your settings and scroll down to security and privacy, and here device unlock. So first up, let's check these options right here. So none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. So first options basically is no security options, so none and swipe. And the third option is a pattern with a medium security. So basically that's a pattern when you need to draw a line to unlock your phone. So something like this, then redraw, and the pattern is set, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. So it looks like this, and let's head to the next option. And the next option is pin. So medium to high security, so basically that's a 4 to 16 digits pin that will unlock your phone. So let's try something like this. Re-enter your pin, done, and I'll show you how will it look. So something like this. And the last option from this list is the most secure from here. Is basically a complex password. So it's 4 to 60 characters, including the digits or letters. So basically something like this. And let's check it. So basically this one is most secure of all, because you can think of basically any combination you want. And two more options is face and fingerprint unlock. So you'll need to set up it, and you'll need to choose a backup screen lock method, for example pattern, and then face unlock, for example. So you can unlock with a glance, unlock your phone by lifting and looking at it. Notifications will be displayed on the lock screen only when you're looking at it. So to set it up, just scan your face like this, and the last option is fingerprint. So basically unlock your phone with your fingerprint. Touch the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone, authorize purchases or sign into apps. So to set it up, just place your finger like this on your sensor and scan it few times. So basically that's it. That's all the unlock methods on your Motorola Edge 70. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.